What's up, guys? This is the Ghost here, and wait, let me just turn off the sound. Let me see, wait, real quick, kid. Alright, so I don't know what. Alright, so it says sound here. But I do want it on. Oh, volume, there we go. Alright, so. Okay. Clock basic bands. Damn. Mexican. Do your shit. Do it that help. Right, so. Wait, what happened to all the sound? Okay, so. Okay, so finally I fixed the sound, guys. And so if you haven't noticed by the title screen or the video thing, this is the thumbnail. This is Pokemon Emerald Ruby. Yeah, okay, bitch. Oh god, did I seriously just press that shit? Okay, I guess X is the back button. Let's see. Be right back, guys. Okay, we're back, guys, and well, I just. Okay, yeah, okay, I got the controls. Alright, my name is. Here, let me use this shit. Oh crap, where? Forgot. Right. My name is Ghost, or as people like to call me, Epic Ghost. I will be putting a link to my other channel in the description. This is just for Pokemon games or games, just games, different games to Minecraft, because my other channel is for Minecraft, yeah. Okay, okay, go, yeah, yes, I get it now. Okay, good for you. Okay, let's go. Let's do this. Let's do this shit. Let's do this. If you can't hear me, I'm sorry. I'm sorry, but we're gonna have to do this. Let's skip this part. Okay, there we go. I just don't like it when I talk. They get me so frustrated. They get me so frustrated. I just want to punch them in the fucking face. Ah! Okay. Let's just set our time. It's 9:40 for me, so 9:34. So I'm gonna set it at 9:35. If I know how to do this correctly. 9. Okay, that's 5. No, watch. This is 3. That's. Okay, I'm getting myself confused. So 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. And there we go. Just a little past. And enter. Stop talking. You talk too much. And then let me just get my potion. Let me just get my shit. Oh, hey, what? Bitch, check my potion. Hey! Son of a bitch. Oh shit. I forgot. Alright. Oh, look. Let's go. Let's get this shit started. Bitch, I don't want to talk to you. come on, let's go get our first Pokemon. Yay! Wait, let's go talk to me. Bitch, hurry the fuck up and start talking. You talk too much. Ah! Whoa! Bitch! Bitch! Get up! It's 5 o'clock in the afternoon. For you, baby. For you. Yeah, kinda. No, I'm just not. Get your ass up! Okay. Teeny, tee, tee, tee. For my starter, some of you might like it, some of you guys might not give a shit. But yeah, my starter is going to be a water type. Water type. It's Mudkip. He's so small. Wait, is that a guy or a girl? Help. You always need help, passive bitch. Oh wait. Oh, that's where I got it from. Bag, there's a Pokeball. You mean Pokeballs, bitch. Everything. Give me your bag. Puccina. Bite his ass off. Can I have all 3 when I finish? Yes. Can I? Here, I'll help you with my hands. I'm good at making things disappear, if you know what I mean. You know. Hey. Oh shit! Hell no! Oh shit! There's Trico. There's Tortec, and there's Mudkip. Who am I gonna pick? Mudkip! 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 Come on! Yay! Yay! I just felt like it was gonna be a waste of time. So, here, how about it? I won't speed it up when... Oh wait, I should read this to you guys. But the way you battled earlier, you pulled it off with a plum, I guess. What? Oh yes, as thanks for rescuing me, I'd like you to have the Pokemon you used earlier. Fuck, I'm just kidding. Whoa, that's okay. Alright, sorry guys if you guys hear stuff in the background. And that is my sister. I'm not gonna give this guy a nickname because Mudkip is what I'm going. Oh, I should have named this Squishy. Oh, she's gonna be Squishy. That's how it be like. Yeah, too bad. Oh wait, no! I don't want to help her. Fuck! No! Fuck your couch. Eek. It's too far. Oh yeah, my mom's gonna want to give me something I don't want to give. Wait, no, she's not. Oh, I guess it's only one. Okay, let's grind our ass up. Grind our ass up. Fuck. Fuck. That shit. Alright, so... Go! Water! Hey, where the hell? Oh wait, no, I didn't. Water gun. My bad. What the fuck? Die! You're supposed to die in like 2 hits. Guys, you guys. Oh, that's fucked up. Bitch. Like sucking on them tits, huh? Bitch. Oh shit, guys. Oh yeah, and these I'm just gonna fucking speed through it. Wow, that was so fast. Okay, that was the next one. Yeah. Yeah, mister, can I have... Is that a girl? Oh, shit, she's gonna get pissed. She is gonna get... Fuck you, fatty. She's gonna get... Hey, I can't accept candy from strangers. Alright, these videos are gonna be like about 10 or 15 minutes long, so hold on here, babe. Here, I'll be back when I grind up and when I go to challenge me. Alright, be right back, guys. Okay, we're back, guys, and I think I'm ready to go fight Misty. The fuck am I saying? May. Yeah, May. So, yeah, well, not see you guys there. You guys come with me. So, oh, fuck. Oh, I was about to say she's not even here, bitch. Yeah, bad old bitch. Okay, let's do this shit. Let's do this shit. And, yeah. Ooh, oh man, you're gonna fucking die. Oh, actually did pretty good amount of damage. No. Mud slap. Squishy mud slap. Oh wait, then nothing. Yes. Miss, yes. It's intense. Bitch. The fuck, it didn't grab me up. Ass wipe. You ass wipe. Alright, we're gonna go to the lab and we'll be right back, guys. We're back, guys. I guess May why do I keep on wanting to say Misty? May, yeah. Oh, shit. Son of a bitch. I'll beat you, bitch. I'll beat you. Don't got time for this. Yeah, give me the fucking Pokeballs, the bitch ass. Alright, so, guys, after I get my running shoes, like a dick. Yeah, guys, I guess that's the end of... crap, one more battery, guys. Speed style. Oh yeah, as you can see, I granted hit one more level since he was already going to. Alright, so thank you guys for watching. We'll go to the next city in the next episode. So yeah, bye.